Hi Jocelyn, myself Sriram. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors and a happy retirement. Thank you.
Dear Jocelyn, I'm Srividya. We are really going to miss you. Thanks for your cooperation. Have a happy life ahead. Thank you.
Bonjour Jocelyn, this is Sargam. It's nice to work with you all these years. Hope you will be having very good life. Thank you.
Hi Jocelyn, suppose you're fine. I heard a news that you're getting retired and it is it's a shock news to all France team. And personally, we didn't had the chance to meet you and to talk with you and to spend time with you. So retirement, it was really a shock news. But seriously, these many days, it was a great memorable days for us. And our France boss is getting retired. Oh no! And finally, one thing I can say that it's the really a great time to you to spend a nice time with your family. So please have your memorable days with your family too. And I suppose God will give you all the things you need or all the what you say the things you want to get near you, and whatever the gifts you want also it should be there before you. And your life, it's not that you're getting retired, you're going to a new thing, a new path. It's not that 50 years 60 years everything is over, so you're going to a new stage, I suppose, because everything you can do we have that. And one thing is very bad that we are losing our France boss. Okay, have nice days. Bye.
Hi Jocelyn, this is Anil. I know you from my startup day into this organization, and it's very pleasant to work with you. And the best thing in you is you always think in the programmer's perspective and you will give a very good suggestion to programmers. And I think you have very good patience. That's the best thing in you once again. And it's very all the best for your future. It's very hard to say goodbye to you, but I need to say goodbye. With all the best and best of luck.
Hi Jocelyn, this is Sriganga. I wish you all the best and I wish you have a stress-free, happiest life ahead.
Hi Jocelyn, this is Uma Mahesh. People call me Uma. I really shocked that October 31st was your last working day. Really we miss you. Here we receive many jobs and we never feel pressure. We deliver it with cool and very well with your coordination, not only you and your team, with your help and support, then only we will feel without pressure here. Thanks a lot for your support and coordination. I wish you a very all the best and a happy family life. Thank you.
Hi Jocelyn, I am Devi Varaprasad. All the very best.
Bonjour Jocelyn, this is Vijay. It's really been hard to say goodbye to you. Like just when I remember back, I suppose like it's around 5 years we've been working together, and almost like every time I came to you with some queries and all, you are very reactive and polite in replying to me, and it's really very kind of you. And I hope you remember that project AXA, where I suppose like whenever you hear the name AXA, you will say like, oh, AXA again, it came again. So even like those particular period of time, like we enjoyed working with you. So life is short. So hope you have a very good peaceful life ahead. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bonjour Jocelyn, it was a great pleasure working with you. I wish you all the best for the future. And it was a shock for me when I heard that you are retiring. But still I wish you a better luck and have a great life with your family. Thank you.
Hello Jocelyn, first of all it was surprise for me to note that you are leaving the organization TNS Software after serving 25 years of service. I don't know what to express, having mixed feelings. It's really a long tenure that you served TNS Software. TNS Software and Kyo Hyderabad will definitely miss you, but at the same time I wish you and your family all the very best.
Hi Jocelyn, hope you remember me. This is Atul. We met in France. I heard that you are leaving this organization. It was a really shocking news for me, but from my side, all the best for your future. Thank you.
Jocelyn, bonjour. How are you? We want to be there, at our farewell ceremony, but the world is so small now. It's electronic world, and Preeta got a very nice idea. Why don't we send electronic message with all Kivo India scripting teams, their thoughts, their farewell message, their views, wonderful experiences. So it's really a good idea. Thank you, Preeta. There is not many years I associated with you, Jocelyn, but whatever we had meetings or telecons or the visit we had in the month of April 2013. It's really a wonderful experience to work with you, to talk with you, to coordinate with you. Okay, you are so lively person with a lot of ambitions, aspirations, and very rich experience. Maybe 30 years plus, if I am correct. So this all experience really helped us to set up a beautiful team here, and a lot of very good process, and the quality also improved a lot compared to previous years this year, and your part very highly appreciated. Jocelyn, this is really thing that everybody wants here. You have a special part, a special position in all the team members here. It's really great. We'll miss you, but definitely certainly your association, your experience, it definitely will help us. I'm sure that now post your I don't know what you are going to do, but I'm sure that you will do some wonderful challenges like walking some 100 miles or 1000 miles, or cycling around the world. All these challenges I think definitely will do. If you have any kind of thinking, just visit India. Okay, so India is a very beautiful place, so you can stay with us. We'll have a nice time that time. Okay, so all the best, Jocelyn. Thank you.
Bonjour Jocelyn, comment allez-vous? Okay, I think these are the last time I think you will hear us because from 31st we'll miss you a lot. It came as a shock because when I came back after my holidays, all of a sudden I got a response like you are leaving the entire team, extended family, and I don't know why you took a decision. Very emotional because we expect a lot, we learned a lot from you. We always know like you are retiring next year or somewhere down the line you will be retiring, but all of a sudden this is nearly a shock to me. I still remember 2006 when we started, 2005 we started, 2006 we started interacting with you guys. The way we struggled, the way we handled many of the quality issues, you helped us a lot in terms of defining those process, in terms of handling researchers' expectations, because many of the members in our team, we started our careers with this particular team. I still remember the first time when we came to Softfest, you and Beatrice, in terms of researchers, they were bombarding us with all their queries, with all their concerns, almost with their frustration sometimes, because they want us to customize everything and we said like, no, we don't do it. The kind of support people extended during our stay, sightseeing, obviously, I think we'll remember all those gestures, all those supports. As I always said, like positions can can be always filled, but the people, the support, the personal touch, they always extend to the team, and we always felt like you and your entire team was an extension of us. So we were always dependent on you in terms of how to handle those special situations, volumes, production, timelines. It's very hard to say goodbye, but thanks to many of the technologies now, Gmail, Facebook, Twitter. I don't use Twitter, but you can catch me on Facebook. Stephen has already added me, so maybe I was not able to found your Facebook account, but I'll ask Stephen to add me. So please be in touch, and anytime you comes to India, don't forget to buzz me, to come down to Hyderabad, meet us, and I wish you could have come and met the team in person, which I keep on buzzing you all the ways, all these 7 years of association. So best of luck for your new adventure, new beginning, and I hope you will enjoy. Best of luck, and please be in touch. Thank you. Oh, bye Jocelyn.
Bye Jocelyn, all the best.
Bye, Jocelyn.
Bye, Jocelyn, all the best.
Bye, Jocelyn. Good luck.
Over Jocelyn. Bye Jocelyn.
Bye Jocelyn, all the best.
Bye Jocelyn.
Bye, Jocelyn.
Bye, Jocelyn.
Tata, Jocelyn, all the best.
How are you, Jocelyn?